Yeah, so cooking in that, in the area and that. So what you need is a couple of potatoes, cut them up like that, and you chop them up into cubes and that. So yeah, you cut the potatoes into cubes. Depends how, you can cut them fine or you can keep them big like that, but it's better to break them up. Chop them up into little itty bitty cubes like that, as such, like that. Just make them smaller and smaller. That way you got more of them rather than big ones, because you don't want them like big hot chips ones and that, like long ones. So just like that, yep, like that. That's it. Someone in the sink. Put the pan, preheat it to whatever degrees Celsius you like and that, and just put olive oil in there. Make sure you put olive oil so you can get it all in there. Let it sit for a couple of minutes just to preheat and that. Then once it starts getting hot, it starts cooking, you start putting the potatoes in there. So you put your cut up potatoes that you've cut into cubes, you put them in, just spread them out. You can cut them more if you want, depends on your preference, if you've got time, so like that. And then cover them up, and then we leave them, and then we get back to them after, say, about 10 minutes. So we'll check now, after 10-15 minutes, it's all golden brown. It's all cooked, yep, they're all soft. If you want, depending on your preference in that, you can cut up onions or put mushrooms in there. Just added mushrooms in there, so just mix it all up. So yeah, you crack a couple eggs on top, and then you just mix them in that. You just kind of mix them with the mushrooms as well, because we added mushrooms as well there, so just kind of mix it like that. Depends how you like it, whatever, just all that, yeah, like that. Like that. Just like mix it in, let it all mix in, and then see, that's the egg and the potato all mixing together. Just mix it. As you can see, the potato and the eggs are all mixing. We're just mixing it. It depends what you like. To me, the eggs are done. If you want to make see that, they're starting to come up. But it's all mixed, so that's a mushroom and the eggs all mixing together. Just like that. And then you add salt. Wait till you add salt till the end, and that way you can put the right amount that you like. Obviously you got to put a bit, because once you serve, so we just keep it like that, mix it up, pretty much that's it. There you have it, time to enjoy it. Got the onion there, cut the onion, got the za'atar there, oregano, and the bread. And then we just eat now. And that's how you do it. Simple, not too hard, no meat in that, and that's it. So enjoy, and leave a comment and let me know what you want me to cook in that. Peace. Please just subscribe, like and share. It doesn't cost you nothing.